2024 BMW X1 M35i. This is what it sounds like before. You guys can see it's very, very quiet. Again, here's sound decibels. Right at 85. I'm gonna let him put it in sport and let you guys hear it again. 1 second. All right, guys, now it's in sport mode. Yeah, it's still the same. Too quiet. That's sport mode. Here's sound decibels. It's right at 84, 84.1. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna do a muffler delete on it. Look at this sexy beast. 2024 BMW X1 M35i, X-Drive, all that. So many different badges and stuff. But as you guys can see, it's the first one on the channel, the MX1. Look at that front grille on it. It's crazy looking. It's got sensors in the middle. See it? That's different. He's gonna get new wheels for it. He's gonna get it all customized. It's only got 3,000 miles on it. The converter's up there somewhere off the motor. Then we got a factory resonator there, then 3-inch pipe, another resonator there, more 3-inch pipe, and then we ran 2.5 out the back on each side for a muffler delete. And this one came with valves when you put it in sport mode. So what we did is we cut them off the mufflers. I'll show them to you guys in a second. This is what we usually do with them. We cut them off the mufflers and just weld them to the side so the car thinks that they're plugged in and everything's fine and dandy and works. As you guys can see right there. Same thing we did on this side. Then we ran 2.5-inch pipe on each side for a muffler delete. Finished it off nicely with some gold tips or bronze. There and there. And here's the part number, 1626CP. They're made by our good friends at Natami, right there. Again, here's the part number. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for them. There it is, all set up, nice and done, clean. You cannot beat it. There's the badging, M35i X1 BMW. There's the stock huge muffler that was on it. And that's where the valves were. So when you put it in sport mode, it goes into kind of like a single straight pipe. But it still goes through the muffler too. And then when it's not in sport mode, the valves are closed and it goes through all 4 pipes at certain decibel. And it is single in, as you guys can see right there. That's to cut down on drone even more right there in sound. But that's the stock muffler that was on it that we cut off. It looks a lot better. Weighs about 60 pounds less now. Just gave it some weight reduction surgery and made it look sexy. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. I'm 35i X1. Better. Need to get one more of the resonators out. Keep the small one in the back, take the big one out, the front one. The front one? Yeah. Bring it back. Still sounds really good. You gotta remember it's parked. Let's see when it takes off. Here's sound decibels. Right at 91. It looks so good too. Look at that color on it. Side, look at that side view of that. That looks so good. Looks exotic. Wow. Nice stance to it too. I'm glad they made them a little bit bigger. The old X1s were really small. This one's a lot roomier. They're not bad, about 60K. It's not bad for a BMW like of this size. This one's the luxury edition. It comes with all cream color. Look at that. But it looks better than the black. Wow. Look at that. It's really nice. Look at that. It's roomy for an X1, man. I'm surprised. Full panoramic moonroof. It's fully loaded. Really nice. Hope you guys like it. I love the double screen right there. All one. It's so good. Wow. He's gonna customize the wheels. I told him to go with bronze wheels. He won't listen to me. Tell me in the comments, guys, should he go in for bronze wheels? He wanted to go with chrome. I told him bronze to match the tips. And it looks sexier, but he won't listen to me. So tell me what you guys think in the comments. X1 M35i all-wheel drive beast. Yeah. So you put it in sport mode, it got louder a little bit. Let's see how fast it takes off. It is turbo. See if she takes out like a bullet. Then brakes on that sucker. They're huge. Wow! Beast mode! Flew away, guys. Jeez. All right, guys, that BMW is back in the shop. He brought it back today. This is the second day. It's too quiet still. So he brought it back in, and guess what we did? Took the resonator out. Because you know what? Why not? So we took the resonator out, kept the secondary resonator, and that's where we did the muffler delete earlier, or yesterday actually, with the custom wide pipe. And then the sexy tips out the back, right there, and right there. There's the resonator that was on it that we cut off. You can see, it's a crazy design. So it cuts a lot of the sound away. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. There we go. Sounds like a BMW. Now it sounds like it. Yeah, it's open now. I like it. Here's sound decibels now. 101. It's louder. There's still one more. How much do you leave it? Don't take it out. Leave it. Okay. It'll keep it cleaner. But if you're persistent, you want louder, then take it out. This is perfect. I like it. It's clean. He likes it. You hear him? That's what's resonator and muffler delete now, guys. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah, heck, now it's perfect. Before it was too quiet. Let's see if he launches it this time. He's gonna paddle shift it this time. Wow, it's still going. It's sick, man.